CNBC's Lauren Thomas reporting that beginning today, Amazon shoppers are going to be able to find Peloton products on the site. This includes Peloton's original bike and its strength product known as Guide. Comes a week after Peloton said it will aggressively be closing its brick and mortar stores. Lauren Thomas joins us right now with the news. She's a retail reporter, of course, at CNBC.com, and talked to Peloton's chief commercial officer earlier. Lauren, what's going on here, and how much does this change the game or not?
Yeah, good morning, Andrew. Like you said, if you're in the market for a Peloton bike, starting today, you're going to be able to buy that bike on Amazon should you choose. Now, this is really part of new CEO Barry McCarthy's plan to push the company toward profitability. Peloton also obviously has a goal to continue growing its base of customers, and we've really seen demand start to slow as, pandemic restrictions have begun to loosen. So the company, as you said, is going to sell a selection of products, and I was able to talk to Kevin Cornels, Chief Commercial Officer at Peloton, about this news. Cornels told me already every month there are about 500,000 searches on Amazon for Peloton-related products. So the company believes that the customer is there. He also said this is really going to be a test-and-learn approach. Peloton wants to test the waters with Amazon, but there's certainly a possibility that the company will strike other deals with other retailers down the road in order to gain further distribution. One other thing that I think is really important to note with this launch, there will actually be a self-assembly option for the bike. So if you're a customer, you're checking out, you'll be able to have to pay to have delivery at home, where someone will come and install that bike. But you'll also be able to choose a self-assembly option. That's something Peloton hasn't offered before, and it's another lever that the company is testing to try to cut costs.
Okay, so there's two questions. One very practical for users and consumers, the other on the business side for investors in the company. On the user side or the consumer side, if you're a Prime member, do you get delivery for free? Do we know?
It's a great question. It's my understanding that that should still be the case. There wouldn't be an extra fee. I actually asked the question to Kevin Cornels, could we see this Peloton membership at one point being integrated into the Prime membership? You could see, obviously, Amazon has continued to add more perks to that offering. I didn't get a direct answer at that question, so I think that's certainly something, at least it sounds like, that could still be in the cards down the road. That would be an interesting tie-up, right? There were reports, actually, at one time that Amazon was in very early stages of exploring a deal to buy Peloton. Obviously, that has not come to fruition, but, certainly this is a first step that the two are taking in order to work together.
In terms of margin, obviously direct to consumer, they capture basically the full price. Right. How much do they give away to Amazon in this case?
Right. I don't know an exact percentage on that. But what I will say is you've seen this trend play out with a lot of direct-to-consumer companies, right? Allbirds is a great example. Years ago, the company would tell me, we're never going to break into wholesale. Or that certainly wasn't something that was top of mind, right? As this company launched online and then Allbirds had their own stores, similar to Peloton. Allbirds is now selling in Nordstrom. Allbirds is now striking partnerships with other retailers, just as now we're starting to see Peloton make that approach. I think a lot of these companies, they reach a point where they kind of max out with what they're capable of doing online and on their own. So it's inevitable, ultimately, that, retail comes full circle, right? These D2C brands, Peloton was included in that group, are now striking deals with companies that they see as key partners to their future growth.